Alright, student, now I'm going to show you on how to customize the table name or caption. So what you can do, just go to tables here. Alright, from here you can see there is a caption for the tables. So I'm going to change this one. For example, like doctor, just change the first word to be capital letter. Alright, patients and treatments. And maybe this one, I just put list of medicine. Alright, so you can set the default table to be displayed when you run the system. Let's say in this case, I'm going to show the patients, right, as a default. You can put the sequence number here. So meaning that there will be a running number that we show in the systems, in the records. So inline add, inline copy, this one I'm going to discuss later. Alright. Okay. Detail record count, so that we will show how many records in the tables. Alright, this one also I'm going to discuss later. But view here, make sure you tick alls, alright, add alls, and don't want to have the copy. If you tick this one, means that you can accidentally duplicate the what we call the records. Alright, click the delete, tick all the deletes and edits. And multiple update, if you tick this one, you can update multiple record at one time. Alright, search, extended search option, advanced search. If you click this one, you're going to have an advanced search. Models, this one later on, and audit tree also are going to discuss later with the email notifications. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to create the menu for the system. Can you go to the menu editor icon here? So this is the menu, right? So oh yeah, patient here, I didn't change the caption. Yes, so I should change the patient like this. Now I can go to here, right? Doctor, medicine, patient, treatment, and list of medicines. So actually this list of medicine is under treatment. So how I'm going to show this one, right? This is what we call master details record. So how to create this master details record? Okay, now I want you to go to the treatments, go to the table tab here, master detail here, just click modify, drag the treatments and treatment medicine here. Alright, so the primary key is here from the treatment, and the treatment ID here is the composite key. So from the treatment here, just click and hold your cursor, drag to this treatment ID and release your cursor. Right? Okay, maybe I can add one more here. It's a patient number here. Alright. So the patient number here is the primary key. Drag to foreign key here. And one more is a doctor. Alright. So I can drag the doctor ID here to here. Okay. And one more is the medicines here. I can click the medicine code here and drag to medicine code in the treatment and medicine tables. Alright, this is our relationship. Just click OK. Alright, now what you can do is like this. Go to generate PHP. This is how to generate the tables, the system actually. Alright, so what you can do, you have to change the project folder here. So how to change the project folder here? Just click this folder icon. Please choose your C folder atau C drive. You can go to the C. Make sure you can access your XAMPP folder. Under XAMPP, there is a htdoc folder. So from here, please create your new folder. Let's say the new folder name is BRMS. So click OK. Once I generate the system or the file, the PHP file, will be go to this folder. Alright, so we can try to generate this system by clicking the generate button. Alright, if this one is come up, right, please connect to the internet and then tick this button. This option is only one time, right? So you have to click this composer update. Make sure you have the internet connection to do this one. And then click back the generate buttons. Alright, to generate the system, please click the generate buttons. So this is all the output that you're going to generate. Click generate. Okay, after the generation is successfully completed, you can test your system by go to your web browser. Just type localhost / your folder in your htdoc. So this is the systems, right? Currently we don't have any records. So this is doctor informations, medicine, patients, treatments, and list of medicine. Alright. So maybe in this case, I'm going to remove this list of medicine because the list of medicine should be under treatment. So how to do this one? Just go back to your PHP maker, go to the menu editor, just untick this list of medicines. Click OK and then click generate again. Alright. So when I refresh my web browser, it will be like this. Let's say I just put one record, just go to the doctor first. To insert the record, just click this add record buttons. So let's say I give a record the doctor name. Let's say this is the doctor name. Alright. Just simply put any record. Alright, just click add the button to add the records. So this is my records. So you can notice here treatment here is 0 minutes that this doctor haven't given any treatment to any patients. So notice that the created date is automatically will be insert for you. If you want to view this record, you just click this view buttons. Alright, you can download Excel, PDF files. If you want to edit, just simply click this edit button. Alright, you can save. Alright, you can back to the doctor list here. Alright, if you want to add another one or update the selected record, just click this one and updates. Alright, if you want to delete also, you have to select the record and then delete the selected record, for example. And if you want to search a record, you can use these searching options, right? You can have an advanced searching here, right? This one I will discuss later with you. Alright, let's say go to the medicine. I just put one medicine here, for example, like medicine code is PND. This is like Panadols. The description is like this is medicine for painkiller. This is the, you can select the type here. Let's say this is the tablets. Just add the records. Alright. I can insert one record of the patient, for example, like Ali bin Abu, for example. Just put anyone, any records. Alright, let's say Segamat Johor, for example. Alright, the contact number, just put like any number. The email address, this is ali@gmail. Alright, the gender you can select from here. The race like Malay. Alright, you can upload a photo. If you have a photo here, you can upload. Let's say I don't have any photo here, so maybe I can put later on for this one. Right, let's see if I have any photo here. Okay, let's say like I'm just using this photo, right? Alright, I just upload the photo and then click add button. Alright, you can view here, right? Alright, you can enlarge the screens like this, so you can see all the records. So currently this patient have no treatments. Alright, for the treatment you can add from here, which is you can select the doctor and the patients, right? Or you can select from the patient itself and then click the treatments and then click the add records. Alright, so I can add treatment date, let's say today. The time is like 10 AM for example, and the doctor I can select from here. So since I only have one record of the doctor, it will display that on only the records, and then click the add. Okay, maybe the time format is incorrect, so what I can do is like this, just change this one. Alright, okay, so can you see, okay, this is the treatment, and then you can give the medicine for this treatment. Just click this list of medicines. So medicine code Panadol, for example, right? Since we only have one records, if you have more than one record, it will display, it will list out all the record will be listed out here. So taken time, let's say, oh, this one is wrong actually, this one is after meal. So let's say this one I can change later. Before meal, let's say this is one. So I need to change the, what we call the taken time. The taken time here, yeah, this one. This should be after meal. Alright. This one is after meal. Okay, after you do the changes, you have to generate again. Like this. Alright. So if I refresh my buttons, my system, my web browser, let's try to edit this one. Oh, maybe this one haven't finished yet. Let's try. Okay, this one got problem, for example. Never mind, just go back to the patients or the treatments. So go to the list of treatments. I can edit this one. This one got something wrong here, let's say. Okay, never mind, this one I will check later, this error. Right, so here after meal. Okay, save. Alright. Alright, maybe for the treatment ID I can hide this one. So to hide this one, can you go back to your PHP maker, go to the treatment ID, and for the edit page, just untick, right? So that you won't view in the edit page. Alright, please generate back the PHP maker. Alright, can you go back to here, refresh? Alright, so you can edit from here. No need to show the treatment ID. Alright, so that's all for today. Try to look up to my other tutorial on the next lessons. Alright, go back to your PHP Maker. Now I'm going to show you how to save this PHP Maker project so that later on you can edit the page or to continue the project. Just go to the project menu, go to save, choose the location where you want to save the files. In this case, let's say I'm going to save in my folder, right? So type the project name. So in this case, I just type PRMS, save. Alright, so that if you want to open back, let's say I close this one. If you want to open back the project, just go to project, open, and then choose the project files, click open, and make sure don't click connect again. This is very important. Once you click connect a button here, all the previous setting that you already customized in your PHP Maker will be back to the default one, so that you have to do it again from the zero, from the start. So I just want to remind you, please don't click this connect button again. This one is only one time we do when you want to connect the database and the PHP Maker.